Hi everyone, this is Dr. Dishan Ali, and I'm just going to quickly give you a demonstration of one of the project on which I'm working right now. Basically this project belongs to the water level indicator. I would say a controller kind of thing, because it's also controlling the input and output of the system also. Before I give you a little brief of the project, let me introduce my team. Me myself with Mr. Hassan and Mr. Arif, who are working with me in this project, and my wife Nimra Ghazal is also working with me in this project. So now I'm just going to move forward now. Let me give you a little brief of the project first. We have, like I have underground water tank, we have an overhead water tank, and there is a water pump which is actually sucking the water from this lower tank and sending it to the overhead tank. Over here we have an electronic device or the electronic system which is actually doing the intelligent part here. A screen which displays the information of the tank. I'll later come to this part, that what exactly the information we are trying to extract from here. Since I told you in the beginning that this is an IoT based project, so we also have through Wi-Fi the data being actually captured by the mobile phone, where we have little mobile app which is actually monitoring and reading the information of the tank. On the top you can see the 45 centimeter, that's the current height of the water level from the top. The height is actually being calculated in centimeters and inches both. And in the lower side you can see the percentage of the tank filled. Now right now that tank is filled around 34%, and the remaining 66 is empty. So let me assure you, I'm just browsing my video on the same level, so you can see 45 centimeter, 17 inches and 34%. If you see here, 45 centimeter, 17 inch, and the percentage fill is 34. Now let me drain the water first, because how is it actually working? Right now I'm just opening this valve and the water will start flowing from this tank to this tank. You can see now, you can see the movement of the water. It is being filled through this pipe, and you can see earlier the percentage was 34, now it is coming down to 28. The water level on the overhead tank is going down. The centimeter measurement, which the sensor is measuring in inches and centimeter, is showing 49, which is keep increasing, and this is what it is supposed to do. The sensor is mounted on the top. It is actually reading the data vertically, the distance from the top of this tank to the water level. So effectively we have ultrasonic sensor. The moment it reaches to the minimum level of the percentage, the motor will start working. The motor at the moment it is not working at all. It is idle. It is at rest now. Alright, so you can see the water being drained down to the underground water tank, which is supposed to be this big tank, 100 liter. But sorry, my mistake, it's 200 liter. And the top one is 80 liter. Let me make it clear for you. Yeah, this is actually 80 liters here. Well, it's very blurry now. Anyway, coming back to the point, we are reaching up to percentage 14. Level is going down. Right, the motor still not start. And the same reading being shown here, 6%. Yeah, at 6% the motor started working. Now you can see the water filling up. Valve close to it. The pump is on. All right, I'm just shutting this valve off. All right, so it can fill the overhead tank. You can see the pump is on now. Right, it's going to take a little while, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Now you can see the centimeters are reducing, inches are reducing, because the water level is getting closer to the sensor itself where it is mounting. but the percentage is going up. So it is a percentage amount of water which is being filled here. So as I said, it is an 80-liter tank. So if you see around here, it's a 40 liter. Okay, when it reaches a 40 liter, it must show here 50%. But you can see also the same percentage being shown here. I'm going to double check it. 41 centimeter, 15 inches, and 42%. By the time the centimeter goes down, so 41 to 38, 15 to 14, and 41 to 50, which is actually the 40. Now it is 50%. Now when it reaches to 40 liter, since the total volume of the tank is 80 liter, so when it reaches to 40 liter, it shows 50% filled. Now it is keep filling. It's going to take a little while, but this is completely, as I said, we are capturing the data on mobile phone through Wi-Fi. So now everybody have most of the internet at home, so we can mount this device for variable applications, like for water level monitoring, maybe the fuel tank, maybe the chemical industry. So you double check it. Again, I'm just keep hovering my video here. Centimeter 23, inches 9, 72%. As you can see, 23 to 22, inches 8, 7, and percentage 79. So same percentage is being shown here. 81, right? It is by the time it is reaching 83, because water is filling very fast. Now the sensor being told, when it reaches to certain height, it will automatically shut off the motor. Now you can see, when it reaches to 90% height, automatically the motor was set off. Now it's not working. Now you can also see on the screen, the pump is off now. So I hope you like this demonstration. It's working as per our requirement. Though it's a very rough prototype, you can see quite a bit of messy wiring around, and circuit breaker, some power supply, and it's working fine. I'm going to create its brochure and put its all details and put it on test also. So now the world is actually heading towards the internet-based applications, and people want some more luxury in their lives. So this is going to give them a good, I guess, a hope. So it's not only one application. We have quite a good number of applications where we are running and using internet or IoT-based projects and making the life of people simpler and easier. I hope you like it, and if you have any comments or any suggestions, please feel free to share with me. Thank you very much.